Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to get your new Maya card and activate it on the app. Maya, previously known as PayMaya, is a free mobile crypto wallet app that caters to your needs for safe and seamless financial transactions using your mobile phone. By the way, if you haven't registered on Maya app, check video description for the sign up link to register. Here's how the new Maya app looks like on Android device. Here, you will see navigational tabs such as Wallet, Savings, Credit, and Cards. To avail for your new Maya card, swipe to the left and select Cards. Here, you tap this banner to order the new Maya card. You can order Maya card in solo, duo, or trio. Let me get one for myself. They say it's the card for everything you do. Financial independence start with your Maya card. Enjoy everyday spending with rewards and a fresh new start. For delivery, Metro Manila areas will take 3 to 7 business days, while provincial areas will take 5 to 10 business days. To check your delivery status, just tap this. Please note, due to the current public health situation, serviceable areas for Maya physical card deliveries are limited. Delivery should take around 7 business days with Metro Manila and 15 business days for other provinces. Tap on Buy button. Select whether you want a Visa or MasterCard. Let me pick Visa. Then, click Buy button again. Input the quantity. For one Maya card, it will cost 150 pesos. Once decided, click on Buy Now. Double check your shipping address. Delivery charge will be 50 pesos. Then tap on Place Order to complete your purchase.
1 week later.
After a few days, I received my Maya card. Let's unbox it. I actually really like the card since I can use it on Binance Exchange in buying crypto too. To activate the card and link it to your Maya app account, you open your Maya app, go to Cards tab again. Then here, you will see your virtual card and the Maya physical card that you have linked. Tap on Activate a Maya card. Here, you input your new card details. Then just tap on Link Card. That's how simple it is to order your new Maya card and activate it on Maya app. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-wallets video tutorials. See you on my next video.